Corally Jambo 6S. Got this from RC Discount Superstore for a great price. I couldn't pass it up. You know, I wanted the Jambo because I had the Dementor. This is basically the same thing. I like the Dementor body better. It looks crazy like that. Oh, I got a battery in there? Oh yeah, I did put the battery in there already. Okay. This stuff is, no, it was clean. It was practically new. I had got lights in the front. I'll let you check those out, and lights in the back already installed. So what we got here, we got the TOROX 100. Okay, a TOROX 185 amp ESC Kuron motor, 2050 kV motor. You got the stock servo in there, which is pretty good from my experience with these servos. It's not bad at all. I haven't ran it yet. This is my first time running it, but most Team Corally cars are overpowered with 6S. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna just run it on 4. Just gonna run it on 4 today. I don't want to really do 6S because I don't have that much room. I'm not doing no jumps and no flips. This is just basically first bash for the car since I got it. But you gotta check out RC Discount Superstore. I got this at a crazy price. Like, you wouldn't believe how much I paid for this. I had to switch the wing. The wing was he had the wing sitting up, but I see why he had it sitting up now. I thought it was for his style that he had it sitting up, because the wing mount is stripped out. Come with the factory transmitter, which I don't too much care for this transmitter. I got about four or five Team Corally cars. I have to check. But I noticed this transmitter right here does not last long. I don't know why, but it just does not last long. I like the Jambo. I like the look of the Jambo. I just think the Dementor body looks more appropriate for it. Uh-oh. Why are you not working? All right. Whoa. Okay, let's try that again. What the hell? Mess with the motor wires and she's ready. Tighten up that servo saver. Yeah, she's not turning like I wanted to turn. And she a little strong for it. I mean, she got some pressure on for us. Okay, the receiver good. I was worrying about the this thing ain't bad. I can imagine on 6S this thing is gonna be a problem. These are the same tires I got on the on my Notorious. Yo. I think the back flips would do this some justice though. Beast. Definitely gonna do a comparison with the Notorious. Yeah, I almost killed myself that time. Definitely got to tighten up that servo saver. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yo, this thing is a beast. Whoa. Yeah, this thing is, I mean, I see what it needs. It don't need too much of nothing. Just the servo saver, that's about it. Because I know these servos is pretty good on this car. Team Corally Electronics, their whole setup is pretty good. Only thing they have a problem with is their durability. That's about it. As for the power, the looks, the style, the way they put it together is pretty good. It's just not that strong. They'll get it though. They competition. Whoa. Still alive. I keep dropping the camera. Yo. But, as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Look at this monster. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.